Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is currency, and which is directly going to connect to the earthquake. One person told that basically, do you know, this is basically connected to the previous topic. He told that, uh, do you know basically tomato and potato basically have actually created three lakh planets basically from our planet. Yes, basically that is created. Yeah, basically that is created. So he told that basically that is going to be used for the other planets that basically where human is not existing. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically you are exactly correct basically. So he told that basically tomato and potato basically currently basically tested by tomato and potato basically were test assume that tomato basically is connected with head basically. It's going to create energy in head basically. Means head basically your head basically would not any will not create any problem basically. That is tomato basically, right? And potato, just taking as an example basically. In really basically tomato basically it's a vitamin process basically. So nobody, we all, even basically a few people says that basically lots of people knows don't know. Yeah. So that is different thing basically. Each and every keeps people basically keeps their control. So control is up to that level basically. Just I am telling you. So like this basically one of the person told that what is a potato here basically. Then he told that basically potato basically basically potato is basically connected with the heart basically. Then he told the heart, huh? Then he told that basically tomato is basically connected with head. Yes, basically tomato is connected with head. And he told that potato is connected with heart, huh? Yeah, basically like this basically started the thing basically. So they basically tested in Earth planet basically, right? 900 crore people basically had tomato and potato, and they tested their heart and head. 900 crore basically. Like this basically he told that basically okay 900 crore people basically has tested this. Yes, it's tested this. Then he basically told that basically they basically generated how many planets? They told that 3 crore basically, sorry, 3 lakh basically, not 3 crore, 3 lakh planet basically they have generated already, and they have placed in particular location basically where the set of planets are going to move. Then he told that okay, basically that's fine, yeah, basically that's actually what actually you want to tell. Then basically Sunil R Nair basically told that basically whenever the planet basically is going to move that time basically the energy has settled of the tomato and potato planet in that area. Then he told that okay, basically that's fine, basically that's fine. I got it actually what you want to say. Then basically there basically human does not exist. Huh? Just see basically there human does not exist. There human basically still basically has not started their generation. So like this human does not exist. The planet, assume that basically 5 crore planet basically are moving from that planet, and potato and tomato basically settled the environment, and that is basically going to give good effect in head and heart basically. That is clear. Then you told that yes basically. Now basically the 1 5 crore planet basically which is going to move from there, where there basically the human basically does not exist. Then he told that exactly basically you are correct here basically. Then he told that basically the human does not exist, yes. But the tomato and potato basically is connected with which part body parts? He told that basically heart and head basically. This much is clear. So they basically settled the 5 crore planet basically energy with this tomato and potato energy with their energy basically. So they basically dumped tomato and potato energy inside the 5 crore planets basically. So like this basically whenever human is going to start their generation, their head and heart basically is going to be taken care by this potato and tomato. So like this one of the person basically who was basically the earth planet group basically, he told that basically like this basically we have created earth planet as an asset. So whenever the earth planet, that 5 crore planet is going to start the generation basically of human, Means human basically can be from any planet basically. Any planet, it can be in earth from the earth planet also basically, can be from the earth planet also basically. So wherever, whenever basically the human are going to start their generation basically, their head and heart is going to be taken care by that tomato and potato energy. And there basically the planet basically, they can convert that tomato and potato according to their brain creation. So what they are going to convert that tomato and potato energy to which all data. And data equal to, it can be anything basically, it can be food also, it can be whatever basically the environment is set according to the planet basically, that is 5 crore planet. So here basically what actually this story basically says basically, here actually what this story says, here the story says that basically same way earth planet also basically has created this way only. Same way each and every things basically which human is creating in earth planet, which is controlled by the NASA and ISRO, and which is controlled by the satellite group basically, they are also creating same thing basically, exactly same thing is happening in earth planet also basically. Somebody has passed the energy whenever the earth planet was getting created, that time they have passed the data, and they are still basically passing the data. Same way basically the earth planet basically, whenever the human is going to create, when human is going to get birth, that time this earth planet basically tomato and planet creation basically data is going to attract. That can be in form of human clone, that can be in the form of birth creation, that is basically the ladies has birth, then the chemical creation human basically has, through chemical also human can be created. So like this basically the tomato group basically say that we have basically placed our data, that is in the form of human clone also, in the form of birth basically ladies is going to take the birth, and in the form of chemical also. Like this our data has created basically, and we have basically this city basically, you can see that city basically, yes basically we can see basically, this thousand the thousand city basically, yes I can see the thousand city, that thousand city is equal to tomato and potato. That city basically has created this tomato and potato, and there basically the whenever the human is going to create, start their generation basically, whenever basically it can be after 100 years, it can be after 20 years, the data is going to pass from the city energy basically, from that city energy basically. And few satellite groups says that basically we have taken that city data basically and dumped into the satellite, and we have created lots of astro stone also basically, and lots of galaxies are also created of that cities. So like this basically the head and the heart data basically prepared for 5 crore planets, and the 5 crore planet basically is going to get the birth of human basically after a certain year, with the help of these 3 lakh planets. So they basically tested what basically, they tested that basically the 3 lakh basically planet which is created, they can take care of the human basically which is going to get birth in the 5 crore planet or not basically. So the planet all passed, that means the 3 lakh planet basically is going to take care perfectly, that also 100% basically of that head and heart of 5 crore planet basically. And then in 5 crore planet basically there are lots of human basically staying. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic which is basically discussed just now in this video.